Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Penguin game. To begin, familiarize yourself with the basic controls, typically using arrow keys or a joystick to navigate your penguin. Your main goal is usually to collect a certain number of fish or reach a specific destination before time runs out. Always be mindful of the environment, as icy surfaces can be tricky to master, and mastering movement is key to success in the Penguin game. The ice makes stopping difficult, so anticipate your moves. Practice quick turns to change direction sharply, which is crucial for avoiding sudden obstacles. Many games also feature a jump mechanic, allowing you to clear small gaps or leap over approaching dangers. Consistent practice will improve your precision. For existing spreadsheets, changing the font is also very simple. First, select all the cells in your sheet by clicking the small blank rectangle located at the top left corner, between the row numbers and column letters. Once everything is selected, head to the toolbar at the top. Locate the Font drop-down menu, which usually displays the current font name. Click on it and choose your desired font. The entire sheet will instantly update to your new selection, giving your data a fresh look. For advanced play, focus on anticipating enemy movements and planning your route several steps ahead. Keep an eye out for hidden power-ups, such as a temporary speed boost or invincibility, which can provide a significant advantage. Don't hesitate to replay levels. This helps you discover optimal paths, refine your technique, and ultimately achieve a much higher score.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.